Good morning, guys. Welcome to Motovlog number 9. Today's ride plan is we are riding to Noida, Greater Noida. Hopefully we will ride to Jewar. We'll probably take that call once we are at the exit for Yamuna Expressway. If majority decide we go to Jewar, which will be a great and pleasant surprise, or else we'll take a U-turn from Pari Chowk and then ride back. Again, a short ride this weekend, but I guess that's how it's going to be. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. So I'm riding after a bit, and it's lovely to see that the eventers are finally here. The weather's very nice and cool. Finally put the line inside my jacket to keep myself warm. This is what fun is. This is what good riding is. This is riding season. Unfortunately, in Delhi, it doesn't last more than 2 to 3 months. So I wanted to ask if anybody has knowledge about the Mahindra Thar. I wanted to get a Valvetronic exhaust on my Thar. Please do comment and let me know if it's okay to get that done on the Thar, if it's a good idea. Just basically want to know if it doesn't harm the vehicle in any way. Though I don't think so, but still opinions matter. So if you guys have any opinions, that'd be great. Also, on the lines of modification of the Thar, I was thinking of getting the front grille changed, and getting the Jeep Wrangler grille, and also the front headlamps, getting the LED versions, not the bulbs, but the entire unit replaced. So let me know what you guys think, if these mods are worth it, and if it doesn't harm the vehicle in any manner. So heading to Jewar now, finally. I think I'm going to Jewar after about 2 years. This is one of my favorite stretch of road, the Yamuna Expressway. It's fun riding on this stretch. So we're rolling from Jewar. Actually, this is a bit short of Jewar. There's a little U-turn here. It's about a kilometer short of the Jewar toll. Turning around, caught up with the group. Sid's mounted his... it's not Sid. Sabi's riding Sid's new Hayabusa. Excellent, I love that color, silver. So this is the new version of the Rocket 3. I used to have the model before this. Somehow I like the previous model, but this is also really nice. Again, more Diabolish, Ducati Diablo sorts. Anyway, time to go. We'll catch up in a bit. Sorry? I'll go straight. DND and then carry on, yeah. Straight. So we're back on the Great Noida Expressway. We have exited from the Yamuna Expressway on our way to DND, heading back home. Heading back home from DND. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for joining in. It was fun riding. Keep following, keep liking, subscribing, and I will see you next weekend again. Have a good week, guys. Bye bye. Cheers.